Hello guys, we'll be doing something right now. So you hover into so now we'll be activating our theme. So theme is the first thing we'll be activating for this very website before we can proceed into doing any other thing. Remember, WordPress makes it so easy for you to do anything with the help of their plugins. And in order to get that working, we need to get our theme installed so that we can customize that theme. Remember, if you have to create this from scratch, it will take you time and it will give you tough time because you don't know how to program. You don't know coding, so you're definitely not going to. You won't be able to do this. So all we need to do now is to hover into themes. We'll click on themes. You click on themes, you can see this is the installed theme. So we are going to add a new theme by clicking on add new theme. So once you click on add new theme, you will see numerous themes that you are to install. So for the sake of this class, we'll be making use of the one that will ease you a lot. There are a lot of themes. So now we'll be searching for Astra. This is Astra. You can search it here if you are not seeing it. So as soon as you see it, all you need to do is to click on install. So as soon as you click on install, what's wrong? Okay, you can see it has been installed. So the next thing you need to click is activate. So you can see our site has been our theme has been activated. So the next thing you need to do is to click on get started. So as soon as you click on get started, you allow it to activate. Okay, you can see it has been activated and this is what we have. So we are going to click on Elementor as our page builder. Elementor is going to help us to build our website. So you click on Elementor and you allow Elementor to install. You can see Elementor has been installed. So now we are going to install the theme we'll be using for our site. Any site you want to create can be accessible via this free premium or free themes. So these are themes that you can use to create your website free. So now we need to make sure what we are using is free because all we have here are paid and free themes. So now if we are to build an e-commerce website, this is all we need to do. I will select this organic store because this is cool. You click on it, you can see it is a 3-page website. So what do I need to do? I will import complete site. This is a demo site that we are importing, a demo template that we're importing to our site. Whatever we have in this template is what we're going to see as our website. You can see this is how our site looks. There's nothing here, but as soon as we import this, we'll be having a different look on our website. So let's import. Click on import complete site and give it time to load. I am a WordPress. You can type intermediate or beginner. You can type myself, or if it's for a client, I'll use anyone I want here, expert or beginner. You can just use the beginner because this is your first time creating your site. So you can skip this, or you can put your details so that you'll be fed with information or details regarding your site. So let's allow our site to import. The process may take few minutes depending on the size of the site. You can see it was just a 3-page website, so it's going to be very easy and smart. But for complicated sites like multi-vendor website where you have you will be getting a lot of products for your e-commerce site. You will need to, it will take time because you have lots to face. So let's give it time to load while it imports. Okay, you can see our site has been imported successfully. So let's go to the front end and see what it looks like. Wow, amazing. You can see this is a new website that we just created. You can see how smart and easy it is to install or to create a website using pre-made demos and templates. I can't really tell what is wrong with my network, but I think something is definitely wrong with my network. So let's visit our site and see what comes up. You can see shop me, shop with ease. I think what's wrong with my network? You're supposed to see a product picture here, but it's not coming up. They are not showing up where. You can see all these are in dollars because it's an e-commerce site. So I'll be showing you how to go about customizing everything here to your own brand so that it doesn't show as it is. So that is it about this installation. Our next video will be discussing on customizing this site to our own taste or brand.